Okay, I've been working on the 8x8 dot matrix scrolling demo. Just to let you know, the matrix's max driver is arranged in 8-bit rows, and they're addressed serially one row at a time. So that means I have to write all 8 rows to each device to update it. My first scrolling demo was just moving the character over to the next display and just continually rotating. Um, of course, since these are 8-bit rows and I can't just shift over to the next row in the display unit, everything has to be rewritten over and over again. I have a temporary buffer which I used to throw the data in assembly and dump it fast to display to create a fast update. Also in assembly, I have where there's let's call it a temporary fifth buffer. It holds the character that's going to shift into the right display as the data goes out to the left. So it took a week or so. I miscalculated some numbers, and I got to do some conversions where I go from bitmap data as in a different orientation and I had to convert it over into the data format of the rows of the displays. So the new routine I have in the background shifts all the bits to the left, 1 bit, and then rewrites the buffer, which gets dumped back to displays. Now, thanks to my little interface here, I can pause the program, and let me just hit enter, and here we go. We now have a little bit smoother scrolling. So I'll probably get that code up at some point, but at 4 megahertz, it will go a little bit faster than this. I've got a good bit of a pause on it, and it'll really zip by if I take all the delay out of the scrolling. So here we are. My current working smooth scrolling display.